Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Milestone College online math class number 48, presented by Muhammad Tasbir Karim. Today we are going to solve few geometrical problem, some of CQ of the board exam, and some MCQ and the related math of the chapter. So before, just there is a it's a question of Dhaka Board 2019, creative question number 8 of the question. So here it is. I think you can see in the figure, O is the center of the circle and PQ is the diameter. If the radius of the circle is 4 centimeter, then find its circumference. Number B question told, prove that PQ greater than CD. So it is PQ, it is a diameter, and CD is a chord. The question told us PQ greater than CD. And number C, if AB greater than CD. If AB greater than CD, then prove that OE smaller than OF. So this is the CQ question. Now we are going to solve a number. Given the radius, the question is told, read again. If the radius of the circle is 4 centimeters, so radius is how much? 4 centimeters. Find its circumference. Circumference, so we know circumference equal to 2 pi r. We know that is 2 is here, pi, the value of pi equal to 3.1416, and r, radius r equal to 4 centimeters. So if you calculate by using calculator, you will get 25.13 centimeters. That is our answer. Very simple. Number B, it is also a very simple geometry. It is actually exercise 4 of the book. So the question is given again. In the figure, O is the center of the circle and PQ is the diameter. So we have to prove that PQ is greater than CD. So, so, so here it is. The proposition O is the center of the circle ABCD. Here it is. Look at here, ABCD, and it is required to prove that PQ, this one, PQ is greater than CD. PQ is greater than CD. Now, construct. We have to some construction here. Join OA, OC, this is OC, and OD, OD. Just construct. Just join that. Now the proof. Here it is. So by the construction, you can see OP is a radius, OQ also a radius, OC is a radius, OD is a radius. So you can say OP equal to OQ equal to OC equal to OD, because radius of the center all are radius. OP, OQ, OC, OD all are radius. So in triangle OCD, in this triangle we can write OC plus OD greater than CD. OC plus OD. OC plus OD greater than CD. The sum of two sides is greater than the third side of the triangle. So this is a triangle. In this triangle, if I just add these two sides, OC and OD, it must be greater than CD. It's a theorem of class 7. I think you can remember. So OC plus OD greater than CD. So if I replace OC by OP, OC by OP, and OD by OQ, we can get OP plus OQ greater than CD. So OP plus OQ, OP plus OQ, that means PQ. You can write PQ greater than CD as this one. So prove. So I think you understand. This is very easy geometry of your book. Okay, so we can go now number C. The question C is given to you. If AB greater than CD, of this figure AB is greater than CD, then we have to prove that OE, this is OE, OE is here is perpendicular distance, OF also perpendicular distance. It is given in the figure. This is the geometry. It is given to you. That is OE and OF are perpendicular distance. So if AB is greater than CD, it is required to prove that OE is smaller than OF. Now, how we are going to prove? Look at here. So AB and CD are two chords of a circle with center O and OD perpendicular AB. OD perpendicular. This symbol, look at here, this symbol is shown. This is a 90-degree. That means perpendicular. So we can say that OD perpendicular AB, OF perpendicular CD, and AB greater than CD. AB is greater than CD. Okay. It is to be proved that OE greater than OF. OE, this is OE greater than OF. Okay. Now we are going to join OA and OC. OA and OC. Okay, fine. Now, so here is the table, steps and justification. At first, AE equal to half of AB. AE, this is your AE, half of AB. Why? Because perpendicular from the center bisect chord. We know that. This is from center, this is the perpendicular, so it is bisect. It is theorem number 1, you can remember. Okay. And CF also half of CD, the same law. CF equal to half of CD. Okay. So given AB and CD. From that AB greater than CD. AB is greater than CD. So we can tell half of AB equal to half of CD. That means A, half of AB means A, half of CD means CF. So A greater than CF. If we square them, A square also greater than CF square. So I think you understand. So in as the angle AEO, here it is AEO, this angle is the right angle, and CFO, this is also a right angle. So in this triangle AOE, in this triangle we can write A square plus OE square equal to AO square by Pythagoras theorem. And also we can write of the triangle CFO, this triangle of this triangle, CO square equal to CF square plus OF square by Pythagoras theorem. We just write it. Now, as OA equal to OC, OA equal to OC, these two sides are equal. Why? Because both are the radius of the same circle. OA and OC are radius of the same circle. So we can tell OA square equal to OC square. OA square equal to, if you square in both sides, you will get the same result as they are same value. So if OA square equal to this one, OC square equal to CF square plus OF square, so we can replace the value of OA square equal to A square plus OE square, and for the OC square we can write CF square plus OF square. So now, as we just find out in here, A square greater than CF square, so we can tell that is OE square smaller than OF square. That means if you just A square greater than CF square, obviously this one will be smaller from this one. Why? Just think about it. If I just write here, look at here, you have, just think about, you have 20 taka, your brother have also same amount, 20 taka. So he, think about, you spend 10 taka, so that you have 10 taka left. Your brother who spent 8 taka, and now he has left 12 taka. That means this one is greater than this amount, the spending money, so that this left money is smaller than the left money of your brothers. So I think you understand. I think you understand what I am just trying to tell. If in the two part of a equal thing, if you just think about, we can tell them that the, if one part is greater than the other part, the left part will must be smaller than the other part. So that means A square is here greater of this part from that right side. CF is smaller. So obviously the from the left side the unused part, that is OE square, must be smaller than the left part of the right side, that is OF square. So if you remove the square from the both side, you will get OE smaller than OE. So that is the proof of the theorem. So I think you understand the whole theorem. We just write A equal to half of AB, CF equal to half of CD as they are perpendicular from the center. We know that is bisects the chord. So AB here is smaller, greater than CD. So half of AB greater than half of CD. Half of AB means A, half of CD means CF. So from that you just square in the both side. A square greater than CF square. As in the triangle of this angle AEO, this angle is a 90-degree right angle, and also of this triangle CFO triangle, angle CFO is 190-degree. That means right angle. So by the Pythagoras theorem, you can write A square plus OE square equal to AO square. Similarly, CF square plus OF square equal to OC square. So as AO and CO are equal because radius of the same circle, we can tell AO square equal to CO square. So from that, the value of AO square is just here A square plus OC square, and OC square equal to CF square plus OF square. So from that, we just write A square greater than CF square from above. We just get it. So the OE square must be smaller than OF square. So from that, OE is smaller than OF. That is the proof of our theorem. So this is the solve completed of the board question that is came in Dhaka board 2019, and this question you will get in question number 8 of the question paper. Now we are going to solve two mathematical problem of exercise 8.1. So here it is, the 8 point exercise 8.1, question number 18. The question is here, you can see the question is here. The length, the breadth and the height of the rectangular solid are 10 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively. Find the area of the entire faces of the solid. So it is actually rectangular solid. So we can, let's, length of the rectangular cubic solid is A equal to 10 centimeter, and breadth B equal to 8 centimeter, and height C equal to 5 centimeter. So we know the whole surface of a rectangular solid equal to 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. That means length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. So if you just use by ABC, length, breadth and height, you can write like this way: AB plus BC plus CA. 2 into AB plus BC plus CA square unit. So we can say, if you put the value A, B, C here, you will get 2 into 10 plus 8. You can look at here. If you multiply them, you will get 80 plus 40 plus 50. If you add them, you will get 170. So 2 into 170 equal to 340 square centimeter. That is our answer of the question. So I think you understand. You have to memorize the formula. Rest of the thing is okay. So now we are going to solve few maths of 8.1. Here you can see, if the age of a box, cubic box, is 6.5 centimeter, find the area. Find the area of the entire face of the box. So here here the cubic box is A equal to 6.5 centimeter. We know area of the whole surface of the cube is 6 A square unit. So from that, if you use the length A equal to 6.5 centimeter, you will get that is 6 into 42.25 square centimeter, that is 253.5 square centimeter. So the whole area of the cubic surface is this one. So I think you understand. Now we are going to solve few MCQ of exercise 8.1. Which one of the following is true for the parallelogram? You can see from here, opposite sides are not parallel. It's not possible. It's wrong. If one side is right angle, then it is a rectangle, so it is true. So which one of the following is the property of the rhombus? So here the diagonals are equal. It is not possible. All angles are right angle. It is not also the properties of rhombus. opposite angles are unequal, it is not possible. All sides are equal, all sides are equal, that is the properties of a rhombus, so it is correct. Number C, you can, the sum of four angles of a quadrilateral is right angle triangle. If the adjacent of a rectangle are equal, it is a square. All rhombuses are parallelograms, all are true, so number D is the correct answer. In the quadrilateral PAQC, PA equal to CQ and PA parallel to CQ if it is bisectors of angle A and angle C are AB and CD respectively. What is the name of the region ABCD? So it is parallelogram, so A is the correct answer. Now we are going to solve the MCQ of exercise 8.2. So from that you can say number one, how many independent and unique data are necessary to draw a quadrilateral? We know there is 5 data we required. So number two, in which of the following the diagonals bisect at right angles? We know that is rhombus and kites are correct, and rest of them are not correct. What will be the length of its sides if the length of two diagonal of a rhombus are 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter? So the answer will be 5 centimeter. That is the correct one. So number 4, the perimeter of a kite is 24 centimeter. The ratio of unequal side is 2 is to 1. If you just let them, smallest side is x, the largest one will be 2x. So the perimeter will be 2 into x plus 2x, that equal to 6x, that equal to 24. So x will be 4 centimeter, that is the correct one. Number 5, distance between the parallel sides of a trapezium is 3 centimeter and its area is 48 square centimeter. What will be the average length of the two parallel sides in centimeter? So that is 16 centimeter. If you use the formula half into sum of two parallel sides into distance equal to area. So here sum of the two parallel sides by 2, that is the question told us the average length of the two parallel sides. And number C, and the height is 3 centimeter. So from that you can find out the that is how much, that is 16 centimeter, the right one. So number 6, if all parallelograms opposite sides are equal and parallel, bisectors of the opposite angles are parallel to each other, area of equal to the product of the two adjacent sides. It is not correct. Number 3 is not correct, but 1 and 2 is correct. So A is the correct answer. The length of the adjacent sides of a rectangle are 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Half of the perimeter is 7 centimeter. The length of the diagonal is 5 centimeter. The area is 12 centimeter. So number D is the correct. All of them are correct. If you use the formula of half of perimeter, that is length plus breadth, that is 7, and the diagonal, if you use the Pythagoras theorem, you will get it. And the area is 12 centimeter, length into breadth, that is 12 centimeter. Number 8. Number 8, if the two adjacent sides are given, the rectangle can be drawn. Yes, it is possible. If four angles are given, a quarter cannot be drawn. If a side of a square is given, the square can. So 1 and 3 is the correct answer. So B is the correct answer here. 9, number 9. What will be the length of BD in centimeter? So here you can see that is a parallelogram. So here BD and AB are equal because AB and CD are equal, and the these two angle are alternative angle, then and these are equal. So obviously AB and CD are equal. So BD equal to, if you use this is 8 centimeter and BC equal to 6 centimeter, by Pythagoras theorem you can write that is BD equal to how much, 10 centimeters. So C is the correct answer. By Pythagoras theorem you can find out. If what will be the perimeter of the quadrilateral ABED? So this is 6 centimeter, this is 6, this is 6. So B equal to 12 centimeter. And if you 6 and 8, if you use by Pythagoras, D equal to 10 centimeter. So this is 10, this is 6, this is also 8 centimeter, and this one is 12 centimeter. So if you add them, you will get 36 is the correct answer. What will be the area of square centimeter of BDE? So BDE, BE equal to 12, that is your base, height equal to CD, that equal to 8 centimeters. So half into base into height, that equal to how much? 48 is the correct answer. So then what is the area of the quadrilateral ABED? ABED. If you find the area of CDE, half into base into height, base here CE, that equal to 6, height equal to 8 centimeter. So area will be 24 square centimeter, and the area of this is 48 square centimeter. If you add them, that will be 72 square centimeter. That is the correct answer of this MCQ. Exercise number 9. Here is the MCQ of this chapter. So the ratio of the three sides of a triangle is 1 is to 2 is to root over 3. What is the value of the greatest angle? If you use them if you use them, the greatest angle, it is actually, we can use Pythagoras theorem, and we can get the sum of these two sides is equal to the third side. So the greatest side, that is right angle, and that is 90 degrees. So B is the correct answer. For 13 number, for a right angle triangle, the difference between two acute angles is 5 degrees. So what is the smallest angle? So if you let the smallest angle is 5, smallest angle is x, so the greatest angle will be x plus, the other angle will be x plus 5. So if you add them, x plus 5 equal to 90 degree, because one angle is 90 degree, so the sum of other two angles is 90 degree. So from that, x will be 42.5. If you find out by solving, you will get it. By 40 number, the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is x unit. One of the other side is y centimeter. So the other side, the third side, will be root over x square minus y square. If you put it in the figure, x is the hypotenuse, y is the other side. So the other side, third side, will be root over x square minus y square. For which of the following measurements, if it possible to draw a right angle triangle? So here number B is the correct answer. If you just let a 5 square plus 12 square, that equal to 169, which equal to 13 square, that equal to 169. So it is possible. Okay, in a right angle triangle, A equal to one right angle, hypotenuse BC, area equal to half into AB into AC, BC square equal to AB square plus AC. All of them are correct, so you can tell D is the correct answer. For a right angle triangle, the longest side is hypotenuse, that is true. The sum of the square of the smaller sides, here the sides means two sides, is equal to the square of the longest side. Longest side is the hypotenuse, it is true. Acute angles are complementary to each other, it is also true, so D is the correct answer. Now in this, by this figure we have to answer 18, 19 and 20. So angle A here is 90 degree. What is the length of PQ? So here you can see PA equal to PB, so that is PA equal to 6 centimeter. So PB AB equal to 12 centimeter, BC equal to 13 centimeter. So if you use Pythagoras theorem, you will get AC equal to 5 centimeter. So AQ equal to how much? AQ equal to 2.5 centimeter. So if you use PA equal to, or AP equal to 6 centimeter, AQ equal to 2.5 centimeter, by Pythagoras theorem, you can find out PQ equal to 6.5 centimeter by Pythagoras theorem. So that is the correct answer B. Number 19, what will be the area of triangle ABC in square centimeter? So from that, if you find the area AB, AC equal to base, that equal to 5 centimeter, height equal to 12 centimeter. If you use them, you will get ABC. The area is 30 square centimeter. What is the perimeter of APQ? So PQ I find out 6.5, AP equal to 6 centimeter, and AQ equal to how much? 2.5 centimeter. If you add them, you will get 15 centimeter is the correct answer. In a parallelogram, if you just think about the polygon A, B, C, D, E, if you just from them, you can the information are given. AE parallel to BC, CF perpendicular to AE, DQ perpendicular to CF, and CD equal to 10 centimeter, 10 millimeter, EF equal to 2 millimeter, BC equal to 8 millimeter, AB equal to 12 millimeter. So from that, if you find out the area of the quadrilateral ABCF in the square millimeter, that equal to 96 square millimeter, because here AF equal to 8 centimeter, 8 millimeter, and AB equal to 12 millimeter. So the length into breadth, that is a 96 square millimeter. Which one of the following indicates the area of the triangle FPC? So of this FPC square millimeter, so that will be 48 of this triangle, because FC equal to 12 millimeter, and height BC equal to, that equal to 8 millimeter. So from that you can find out half into base into height. Which one of the following they express the length of CD? Here that is the length of CQ equal to 2 millimeter, and DQ equal to 2 millimeter. So by Pythagoras theorem, if you find out, that will be 2 root 2 square millimeter, that is the answer. Number 4, that which one of the following indicates the difference between the area of the triangle FPC and triangle DQC. The area of DQC equal to 2 square millimeter, and FPC we find out 48. So if you subtract them, you will get 46 is the correct answer. So that is our correct answer. So the last chapter of 10.3, the MCQ we are going to solve. On a plane, innumerable circles can be drawn with two particular points. It's true. The 3 points are not one straight line, hence only one circle can be drawn. It's also true. A straight line can intersect at more than 2 points in a circle. It is wrong. So 1 and 2 is correct. So that is the correct one. So in a circle with radius 2r, circumference equal to 2 into 2 pi r, that equal to 4 pi r. Then diameter equal to 2 into radius, that is 2 into 2r, that equal to 4r. It is also correct. Area equal to that will be 4 pi r square. That is not correct here given. So that is 1 and 2 is correct. 3 is not correct. For a circle with radius 3 centimeter, what will be the length of the chord? 6 centimeter. For the center is in the centimeter 0, because the length of the length of the chord is 6 centimeter, and the diameter is also 6 centimeter. So that is all obviously in the center. There is no distance between them. So that is 0 is the distance between them. So this is the correct answer. What will be the area of a circle with unit radius? Unit radius means one unit radius, that equal to only pi square unit. That will be the area. 5 number. What will be the length of a radius of a circle of with circumference 23 centimeter? So that will be 3.66 centimeter. If you use 2 pi r equal to 23, r equal to 3.66 centimeter. Number 6. What will be the area between the space of the two uni-centered circles with radius 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter? If you find the area by 3 centimeter radius, it will be 9 pi square centimeter, and by 2 radius of 2 centimeter, that area will be 4 pi square centimeter. So if you find their difference, you will get 5 pi square centimeter. That is the answer. Okay, the diameter of a wheel of a vehicle is 38 centimeter. What is the distance covered by two complete round? So here diameter is 38, so radius will be 19 centimeter. So 2 pi r covered. 2 pi r means the circumference covered by one rotation of the equal length of the circumference. That means by two rotation or two complete round, you will get 2 into 2 pi r. That means if you use r equal to 19 centimeter, you will get 238.76 square 76 centimeter. Okay, by the figure you can see here b equal to 4 centimeter. So OE equal to OF, that is CD equal to 8 centimeter, because BE equal to 2 into B equal to AB, that equal to CD. That means B equal to 4, so AB equal to 8 centimeter. So CD is also 8 centimeter. AB equal to CD, O equal to 3. What is the radius of the circle? The radius 4 by Pythagoras theorem, you can use a B equal to 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, O equal to 3 centimeter. So if you join B and the center O, you will get by Pythagoras theorem 5 centimeter is the correct answer. So if AB is greater than CD, which one of the following correct? That is C is the correct one, because we just proved this one today in the third theorem of the Dhaka board. So that is all of them. So this is example number 48, Dhaka board.